My name is Mior Zvan. I'm a front-end developer from Romania working for ODeweb, and I've been using Volto for 6 months, and I wanted to have a way to apply some styling over the blocks without changing the configuration of the blocks. So we created Volto Grid Block, which can be used to organize other blocks in responsive layouts. In this example, we can see that the black border is the grid container, the yellow border is the grid row, the red boxes are the columns, and the blue boxes are the blocks. We can apply style on each of these components, and we will see more about that in the next minutes. When we add a new grid block, we will be prompted with selecting a layout. Let's select this for now. In the sidebar, we will have 5 sections. In the first section, we see 3 buttons: copy, paste, and the preview button, and the columns manipulation. We can add up to 12 columns. We can reorganize the columns, we can modify the width of the columns based on the size of the screen, and we can apply another columns template. This button will trigger the column style configuration, but we will go there later. In the second section, we can edit the grid styling. We can add classes, margin, padding, background color, text color, and even plain CSS. In the third section, we can edit the row styling. We can make it a V container, so it will have a fixed width. We can vertically align. We can justify the content. And again, we can add classes, margin, padding, background color, and CSS. The fourth section is the column styling configuration, which can be accessed in 2 ways: by clicking this button or from the block styling configuration. The fifth section is the block styling configuration, which can be accessed by clicking this button. Everything you see in this page is made with Volto Grid Block. The flag is the 3 columns with background colors. In the section below, we have 3 responsive columns with an image and some text. Here we can see some background applied on the grid container and the row having a fixed width. Here we have 3 responsive columns. This is a basic layout with the navigation and the sidebar. Thank you for your time and have a good day.